Hi friends, let's make polymer clay candies. These cute polymer clay candies can be used as a charm or a keychain or as a fridge magnets. So first take a piece of your favorite color polymer clay, roll it into a ball. Then shape it with your fingers or a knife into a square shape. Next, make a hole with the help of a toothpick. Now, roll out some other or same color clay very thinly and cut a small strip. Make two small ruffles and cut it off like as shown in the video. The clay is very thin, so there is a chance to stick it onto the surface. So you can use a talcum powder or a cornstarch to remove the stickiness. Now add a little glue in the holes and attach the wrapping raffles. Now I am going to add a very small flower from yellow color polymer clay to make it more lovely. So this is just optional. In this manner you can make as many candies as you want and bake them according to the instructions, and you will have a handful of sweets. Thank you.